Hi guys, my name is Christina and welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I'm creating backgrounds for my comic. I'm gonna have several parts to this video just because I recorded the whole process of how I'm doing this and it's quite a lot of footage and I didn't want to speed it up a lot because otherwise we're gonna get headaches. You and me, you are watching me while editing. So in this series I'm gonna show you how I'm choosing which backgrounds to draw, what to draw for the scene, kind of like analyzing what the scene needs, then how I'm creating my reference boards and how I'm collecting references, and how I'm setting up my background sketches, and then I'm gonna show you the complete work on one of the backgrounds, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm using it on the page, and we're gonna complete the whole page with the background, so you will be able to see the process from 0 to 100 on how backgrounds work for me. So in this video I'm gonna show you all the prep work before I start drawing background in details. As you can see now, I'm just collecting all the Pinterest images that I have. I just putting them all together and creating a reference board. Basically I'm just putting together all the images that I think gonna look right for the location. I already have location in mind, I already have weather in mind, and then I'm creating the board for the whole scene. And as you can see, I'm using the board that I already have, and this is the board I had from the previous, actually not the previous chapter, the 2 chapters ago, basically the previous scene with the same character. I already had a reference board with this character, so I'm just moving over reference pictures that I already had with this character to the new reference board that has different color correction, different setup. Basically, as you can see, I have reference for the face, for the skin, for the hair, for the clothes, for the pigeon, for the horse gear, everything, and I also have like a reference for the dude's neck because I want to get this right all the time. So, and I collect all of these pictures together, and then I run color correction to make sure all of those images work together, work with the background, work with each other, and then I have a reference board for the new scene. And when it's done, I just go into open page that I think is the best to start with, that has the most opening for the background, that has the most of it. And I'm just gonna do my standard work of just putting fill colors for the character to just understand what's going on. And when it's done, I'm gonna sketch out the background for the biggest panel of the scene. And I'm doing it on the comic page at this point just to sketch out, and I'm gonna go ahead and sketch it out for other panels just to kind of understand which angles I need, high res, and basically just for myself, just give myself an idea what is the final look that I'm going for, and just to give me the idea what I want to have on my background. So when it's done, I'm just taking this white panel that I sketched out and I'm just setting it up as a brand new file that I usually have a very high resolution. I increase resolution for this one, I make it bigger, I make it wider and longer, and then I just start sketching out the whole background thing. And I'm sketching out all the clouds, everything, kind of positioning. I'm not drawing it through really well, and just more like a sketch. I'm just understanding, okay, this is where the forest is, this is where the clouds are, this is the light direction overall, this is where character kind of interacts with this background, and so on. So yeah, let me go through my little process over here with sketching it up, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I'm doing next with my setup. So the next thing I do when I feel like I already sketched up enough, I'm grabbing a couple of other pages from the scene that have the same background, and I'm just grabbing this sketch to just try the background on, to kind of see how much of this background going to be used, how much you're going to be zooming in on this background on different panels. So I have understanding again how many details I should put in my background file. So, and I'm trying it on several pages that have this background exposed. And then when I kind of tried the sketch for the first background in, I'm gonna create the same sketch for my second background. I have several backgrounds because, you know, for different sides. So for the opposite side, I'm basically just copying my original background and just testing this for the position, putting the character in the middle and using old background for like a color references. And then I'm just painting on it and creating the other side of the same location. And another side I know will have mountains, more sun, just because it has a little less clouds. So I'm just creating a very rough sketch for the same thing. And then I'm saving this as a brand new file as well. So I hope this video is interesting for you. This is just a setup. And then in the next video, I'm gonna show you the whole process of me actually drawing through this background. It's probably gonna be a long video because I don't want to speed it up too much, otherwise you guys are gonna all have headaches because I'm jumping around the document a lot. So this is my setup, this is how I'm sketching it out, understanding what I have to do, and then I see you guys in my next video when I'm gonna show you how exactly I'm drawing through this background. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Thank you guys, bye.